This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Damian Pro. Top floor mountain view condo in outstanding condition, naturally bright floor plan west/south facing view. Generous sized master features luxurious ensuite west/private powder and large walk-in closet. The island style kitchen offers a smart layout with plenty of counter space, cabinets and lots of extra storage including a multi-purpose room. Enjoy the large clubhouse, exercise room, meeting room and kitchen facilities. HOA dues only $203 per month, includes west/s, garbage, road/snow/landscape maintenance. For more information, review the details below.